So it's Makharij. Makhraj is one of the halq, the throat letters, one of the 6 letters, as we explained before. Okay. See here, that's 2 here, 2 here, and 2 there. So it is actually the nearest part of the throat to the mouth, the nearest part to the throat, and we have already used this one for the letter of kha. Okay. And how it is produced? It is produced by narrowing. It is produced by narrowing the passageway between the back of the tongue and the velum. Okay, so this is the velum. Okay, you can see here's the velum. So we are constricting the pathway between the back of the tongue and the velum. Okay, and it creates friction when the air passes through. Create the sound of Ghayn. Okay, so that's the articulation point for Ghayn.